Hey, what is up, guys? Got another unboxing here. This just came in the mail. I see there's a little indentation right there. Hopefully that's not signs of things to come. Hopefully it'll be okay inside. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so that's what's on top of the box. Right here, there's a remote control. And these are the two legs. We have some fasteners and a couple of AAA batteries in this guide, instruction guide, 32-inch, 24-inch. So this one is the 24-inch. Okay. So, and here's another piece of paper. Child safety. And TV in the box, there's cardboard protecting the screen. So I see that the hole, it actually made a hole all the way through, but thankfully there was a cardboard right here in front of the screen to protect it from any damage, which is good. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. Oh, there it is. Okay, guys, so the plug is tucked up underneath here. Okay. So I'm going to get that plug out of there and put the legs on. So give me a second here. Okay, so there's the hole, and oh, I see. So the fasteners is what you use to screw the legs on. But for now, I'll just temporarily sit these guys in here. No, we're not going to do that right now. Let's just get the plug off here and plug it in. Okay. You should have a power button somewhere. Maybe it didn't. Okay. So we got a red light just came on underneath. So let's see. Actually, let's take a look here. Here we go. So I guess it comes on, guys. I don't have it attached to the cable or anything like that yet. So I will go and get the legs installed and I guess plug it into the cable and then go from there. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. So just to review, this is the Amazon Fire TV, the 24-inch model on Amazon. Yep, so it just came in, and so far it looks great, guys. I can't complain. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to get it hooked up, and then you know, I'll give you guys an update later on. I'll just put an update in the description of this video right here. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, comment. Have a good day, guys. So here it is, up and running. Actually, the color isn't bad at all. This thing is very cool. Alrighty, success.